Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my Simply Earth monthly essential recipe box. It's an essential oil recipe box, and I got it and put it in a box, and I've been, deep cleaning, and so this may be a couple of months old, but I thought it was worth sharing. I only opened it to kind of peek in, and I couldn't remember if I had shared this with you guys or not. So, if I did, forgive me. Let me see. Okay, so with this one, we got to go to the main thing. What is that? Oh, all-purpose power of earth cleaner. That's interesting. Okay, let me see. This is the part where my hands go, really? You're going to do this to me? All right, here we go. We've got eucalyptus. We have Defender. We have cedar wood. And we have bay. I wonder what bay smells like. Hold on, guys. Yeah, I don't think I've shared this just no, because the seals haven't been broken. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, yum. That was bay. Let me see. I love eucalyptus. I literally, in my bathroom all the time, I have going eucalyptus and rosemary. Oh yeah, that smells fantastic. It's like you're in a spa, is what it's like to me. Okay, Defender. So let's see what this is. Wanted to see. It is cinnamon, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and clove essential oil. Hey, that sounds good. We need. Oh, that kind of smells nice. It's a nice blend, and I'm not really into blends. If I want a blend, I want to blend it myself. Does that make sense? I really very rarely like other people's blends, and this one is cedarwood. Oh, I love that. That smells wonderful. We used to take our kids to this fair, and that's what it smells because of all the wood chips. Okay, so we're going to make a homemade something. It just says homemade. I thought it was maybe a powder. Okay, so they give you a cute little homemade box. Okay, and then we get the labels for everything. So we're gonna do a deep breathe roll on. Oh goodness, a sleepy bug chest rub, home defender cleaning spray, yay, beauty rest, weighted eye pillow, and breath of fresh air. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, sometimes I find it easier just to cut to the chase. Go look at what they give us. Sorry for the rattle. Let me see here. So, these are going to be the pillow eye mask pillows. Fun. I love that. So fill the pillow with rice, wheat germ, or other filler. Zip to close. Place pillow in a pillowcase. In the pillowcase, I guess it's the pillow. And then this is the pillow. Oh, so smart so you can wash it. Place on ice to support rest. I love that. Love it. Okay. Lavender, I know now. Yeah, I didn't even have to read it. Oh, I can smell it. I love lavender. It's one of my favorite scents. And then let's look at the recipes because this is the best part. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Beauty Rest Weighted Eye Pillow, Home Defender Cleaning Spray, Breath of Fresh Air. That'll be nice. Breathe Deep Roll On. I don't see a roll on. Okay. I'm trying to see. I didn't get a roll on bottle. Maybe I missed it. Okay, September Stroll Diffuser Blend. Yay. So this was the September box. Sleepy Bug Chest Rub. Okay, I love that. That is so nice. So guys, I don't know how you feel about essential oils or any of that. I'm a huge essential oil fan. I've used them. I started to think it had been 20 years, but it may be closer to 30 that I have used. That was a good catch, huh? That I've used essential oils. I have acute atopic dermatitis. My dad has it. My mother had bad skin too. Not nearly as bad. And then our son had horrific skin. So I learned early on to think alternatively. I was making vinegar, water, and essential oil spray long before you hear about it now, which I love that everybody's doing that because it's so much better for you. It's so much better for the environment. And I've done some things with like Thieves, with Young Living but I did not find them as effective as keeping everybody well. I feel like it's great, but I just didn't feel like it was as effective. So, you have to do what works for you. And I think for me, vinegar, water, and essential oils has always been a great option. So, anyways, that's just my freebie tip on top of everything else. All right, guys, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Again, all of a sudden the wind picked up and the chimes are going, so I hope you guys are okay and can still hear me. All right, guys, like, subscribe, leave me one of your favorite essential oil combinations or recipes below. I'd love to try something new. All right, y'all take care. Be safe, and I'll be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.